Okay guys, so today we're going to be making some corn tortillas, but we're going to make these corn tortillas a little different. We're going to add another ingredient to our corn tortilla. Okay, so this is going to be corn tortilla with a difference. All right, so first thing we're going to use is our maseca flour. So here I have my maseca flour. I'm going to add 2 cups of maseca flour. Okay, so we have 2 cups of maseca flour. And our added rather ingredient is going to be this here, Psyllium Husk. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going to be Psyllium Husk. I will leave a link in the description where you can get Psyllium Husk. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Psyllium Husk. This actually helps to add more fiber content. All right, so as per usual, you know I like to jazz up my corn tortillas. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Jaggery powder is a raw cane sugar. You can smell the molasses in it. Of course, we know that molasses does have vitamin B vitamins. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt as well, just to enhance the flavor profile of the tortilla. Okay, so let's just mix everything together, and then we're going to add our water. Okay, so now that it's combined, let's slowly add our water so that it comes together. I'm squeezing the flour through my fingers so that I could incorporate all the moisture into the flour. All right, so I didn't use all the water, and I don't think I need to use all the water because this dough feels hydrated enough. So I think this is good. As you can see, it has come together and formed. So all I have to do now is pinch off these small pieces and form it into smaller balls, like about this size, so, right? So I'm going to get to forming these smaller balls. Okay guys, so here I have my balls. Now this is the first time that I'm trying this Psyllium Husk, so we're going to see how it turns out together. All right, so let's head over to the stove so that we can cook this. Guys, when I rub over the tortilla like this, it helps it to puff up. If you can see, it's actually puffing up here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is puffing up. So that's why I like to, you see that? It's puffing up. So I tend to rub the spatula across it just to help it to pop up a bit.